dry eyes, stiff joints, brain fog, crazy fatigue. I thought these were all symptoms of midlife until I started taking Orlo Nutrition, the game changer. Okay, I started about 2 months ago. And since then, I have noticed a significant difference in my energy, how I show up in the world. I'm sleeping better. My hair is thicker, y'all. But what I found out, and it's featured in my latest episode of my podcast, Recipes for Your Best Life, is the importance of the right balance of omega-3s, DHA and EPA specifically, and you get that in Orlo. They also made this Spirulina spray, and I am a huge fan of spirulina. So many micronutrients and antioxidants, one of the most rich antioxidant foods in the entire world. You take 2 little spritzes, and I start my day with this, and then I take the 2 gel caps, and I just can't tell you how grateful I am that this is now part of my daily routine. So the question is, are you getting enough omega-3s in your everyday? You can self-test and find out. Just make sure you follow the link. I mean, it's science. It's not like it's hocus pocus. You send it in, a third-party lab evaluates it, and then you can track and see how much better your omega-3 levels have improved.